Hello, welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question, Geography 2018, question number 14. And the time, if the time in New York is New York having the bearing of 75 degrees west is 5 p.m. The time in Nigeria with 15 degrees east will be, is it A 9 p.m., B 9 a.m., C 11 p.m., D 11 a.m., E 1 p.m. Now, for us to be able to put this in perspective, we need to know about longitudes and latitude and location of areas on the globe. So we have New York, which is located 75 degrees west, having the time of 5 p.m. Then we'll have the Greenwich Meridian, which is the reference point, having 0. And then we have Nigeria, having 15 degrees east. And that is the information that we can get from what we have here. We have New York 75, New York 75 with time 5 p.m. then Nigeria 15. Now we need to know the time that Nigeria should be. Now whenever you have the directions opposite, like here we have west and we have east here, you need to add up to have the resultant direction. So we're gonna have 75, we're gonna have 75 plus 15 because of the opposite in the direct. This is west, this is east, and that's why we're having 90 degrees. Now we know that 1 degree is equivalent to, whenever one location is passing the other by 1 degree, is actually equivalent to 4 minutes. So if we are having 15 degrees, it's gonna be 15 times 4, which is 60 minutes, which is equivalent to 1 hour. So 15 degrees is actually equivalent to 1 hour. Now we need to find the number of hours between the two locations. Now if 15 degrees is equivalent to 1 hour, then we are considering 90 degrees here. So 90 degrees is going to give us X hours, which we can actually do what? Cross multiply, so that we can get what? 90 over 15, which will give us what? 6 hours. So that is the difference between New York and Nigeria. So we can easily say that New York is actually 6 hours ahead of Nigeria. So New York is 6 hours ahead of Nigeria. So in essence, the time in Nigeria is going to be the 5 p.m. that we have plus the 6 hours. So if you add 6 hours to 5 p.m., what are we going to have? We are going to have 11 p.m. So the answer is actually C, 11 p.m. Thank you.